Mohammad Faizan Nazar from Computer University. The title which I am going to explain is Self-Powered Autonomous Unmanned Aerial Vehicle for Surveillance, Monitoring Purposes and Fault Detection of Transmission Lines through Thermal Imaging. Please move next. First of all, introduction. As we know that today artificial intelligence is very in. So due to innovation in machine automation and artificial intelligence, surveillance and security paradigms are changing. In this project, an unmanned aerial vehicle, that is helicopter, we are going to design, which is self-powered and autonomous. This project is fully capable of self-controlled flight and partially solar-based self-powering mechanism. There are two parts of this project. First is surveillance, security and monitoring of our electrical system, and the second part is inspection and fault detection of transmission lines, and the technique which we are using is thermal imaging. For the surveillance purpose, a camera will be attached with the helicopter that will transmit video data wirelessly to the ground station or any portable Android-based mobile. This is completely wirelessly, so we are working on networking also. Please next. And other step, thermal camera, that is used for thermal imaging technique. In the thermal camera is used, the system will able to monitor the physical conditions of the transmission line and also measure the temperature of transmission lines and able to show the condition and temperature of line wirelessly to the ground station. The UAV system will capable to replace human, which will reduce work for cost, increase human life security and data reliability. Please next. Innovation. The technique that we are used in this project is thermography. Thermography is a method that will use for detecting the infrared radiation of the object and creating a red, green, blue image based on the collected data. In this project, a drone equipped using thermal imaging technology will provide an ability to solve the problems related to overheating of the components of transmission lines, focus on especially conductors as well as crowd capacity issues. The proposed simplified inspection system ensures aerial thermal imaging under weather conditions and provide light loading. Business implementation. First of all, physical helicopter will be developed with the integration of GPS module. GPS module will plan the autonomous path that has waypoint. APM controller, that is the brain of our drone, which will fly the helicopter autonomously. Video camera, telemetry device for wireless transmission of videos. Raspberry Pi is used for thermal imaging. Solar cell for self-powering mechanism. UAV will follow set waypoints using mission planner, providing an autonomous path, and furthermore auto takeoff and landing procedure will be integrated. Actually, this is autonomous, so we have to set the waypoints and our drone automatically follow the waypoint and complete the missions, and it inspects the transmission lines with physically and thermal imaging data also. Please next.
1 minute left.
Okay, please move to next slide. This is the block diagram in which there is complete structure of our project. Audio pilot, this is controller, and Raspberry Pi is used. Thermal cameras, VSCs, motors and batteries are used. Power distribution module is used for providing a sufficient battery to the motors. Please next. Marketing benefits. First of all, the benefit is the UAV-based system will be capable to replace human, which will reduce workforce cost, increase human life security and data reliability. जैसा कि हमें पता है कि हमारे जब भी किसी ट्रांसमिशन लाइन में फॉल्ट आता है तो हम लोगों का एक स्पेशल जोन, हम लोगों ने एक वापडा के अंदर जो लाइनमैन होता है वो जाकर उसको इंस्पेक्ट करके उसको फॉल्ट को दूर करता है. इस तरह हमारा सिस्टम होगा किसी भी बारिश के मौसम में, आंधी के मौसम में, अंधेरे में थर्मल इमेजिंग डाटा के जरिए हमारे कंडक्टर्स में कोई भी फॉल्ट है वो बताएगा. उसके बाद जो सा the main goal of the considered study is to design a simplified thermographic inspection system of overhead headlines in order to increase transmission network safety, reliability and efficiency. This will give high quality and cost effective examination of the overhead power lines in remote and flexible way. Please next.